What's up, everybody? So this is an exciting video today. So in this box here is a product that we're about to come out with. You're probably like, you guys don't make all your products? Well, after this comes out, no. I'm just gonna ruin the surprise. In this box are some soaps that we're having made by a farm, maybe like a couple hours away from us in Tennessee. And basically, what makes their soap so special is they use goat milk from their actual goats on their farm in it. So yeah, if you've been following us for a while, you know that we tried to make a soap maybe like 5 years ago, and then we just never actually finished it. But it wasn't this good anyway, to be honest. So yeah, this is exciting. Anyway, in this box is the first round of samples, which we're doing the Everglades scent and the Bay Rum scent. So these are samples of that, and I can already tell you we've already decided that some of the colors are going to be different. So this is already like technically not what it's going to look like, but it's hopefully going to smell like this, and that's pretty much what this box is. It's for me to sniff test, you could say. When I got this box at my house, I could smell the box, like picking it up off the porch, and in my truck bringing it here to work. My truck smells like soap now, so I feel like these are going to smell great. All right, let me try to open them up. I ran out of room. Oh yeah, it smells. So like I was saying, these are the first bars that they made us. Already they said that they wanted to use some colors that looked a little bit more vibrant, and of course, why would I complain about that? But yeah, so this is literally the first batch of soap that they even tried to make, and already, like, even just looking at the pictures they sent, you know, pretty impressive. So, all right, I'm going to try to get into the rest of this. So if I'm not mistaken, there are 2 Bay Rum samples and 1 Everglades sample, but all I can smell is Everglades. So let's see. Wow, these look pretty nice. Obviously the black and the green is the Everglade. Oops, I'm looking at my phone and I can't even see what's going on in person. Oh yeah. I mean, if you hate our scents, you're not going to like it, but dang, these smell good. I think they're not quite ready to use yet even, but I just, you know, I'm impatient and I had to smell them. So black and green, obviously Everglade. These other colors, Bay Rum. I believe they put in 2 different Bay Rum samples, kind of doing the color differently. Yeah, this one has some grit in it. The other one doesn't. I remember. Man, this smells good. Comment below, would you rather have grit in your soap or not? Either way, some of them are going to be gritty and some of them aren't be. We plan to come out with several soaps for the rest of this year. And kind of like, you know, the seasonal stuff we've been doing. We'll have some Halloween stuff. We'll have some Christmas stuff, and then kind of see where it's at from there. So this is this was the first one they did, I think. Scent, I think, is the same. Personally, I actually think this bar looks better. We're still just kind of playing around with everything. Or I should say they are playing around with everything, and I'm giving my opinion. So yeah, like I said, for the first batch, these look awesome already to me, but obviously I'm gonna just trust their judgment. But like, I've seen some pictures of the new color, and they are more vibrant, so that's cool. But anyway, yeah, I just kind of wanted to make this quick video and show you guys what we're working on. And we'd love your opinion, so drop a comment below. What do you think? Don't forget to subscribe. Oh yeah, like the video too.